Is your plant weak, droopy, and on its last legs? Don't toss it. Follow these steps to revive it step by step. Step 1. Identify the cause. Drooping usually means overwatering, underwatering, or root issues. Diagnose fast to fix right. Step 2. Check soil moisture. Insert your finger 1 to 2 inches into the soil. Dry and crumbly. Underwatering, wet or soggy. Overwatering, like it needed to dry like 3 to 7 days. Step 3. Inspect root health. Gently remove from the pot and shake off the soil. Healthy if it is white or firm. Unhealthy if it is brown or mushy. Trim with sterilized scissors. Rinse roots in lukewarm water if needed. Step 4. Repot with fresh soil. Use fresh, well-draining potting mix. Choose a clean pot like 1 to 2 inches larger with drainage holes. Position roots loosely. Don't bury the system. Step 5. Water for recovery. Underwatered plants, like water thoroughly until it drains out. Then empty the saucer. Overwatered plants, water sparingly. Only when the top inch dries. Consistency is key. Step 6. Optimal light and environment. Place in bright, indirect light. Keep at 65 to 75 degree Fahrenheit. Away from drops or AC vents. Mist for humidity if leaves are crispy. Recover timeline. Days 1 to 7. It stabilizes drooping. Weeks 2 to 4. New growth appears. Months 1 to 3. Fully recovery. Patience pays off.